I'd say that's considerable improvement. But we're not done. But wait, there's more. Yeah, more like a real car. Not bad, not bad. As it was done to the rear bumper, so shall it be to the front. Ready? Go. Note the angle and lack of being parallel. That's what we want to take care of. How far does it need to drop down? Quite a bit. I don't know that I can get impact in here. I don't think I can. No, I can't. Wow. That's a beautiful thing. Isn't that lovely? The nut is inaccessible. Maybe. Maybe. Left leg. It's free! It's free! I didn't think so. I really didn't think so. No. It can't be easy. Well, we just have to let the frame catch the wrench. There's where the frame catches the wrench. That's as loose as we need to be. I think I have the wrench on the right nut. Just where it is. Yeah. Right one. What was that? Well now. So there's the main brackets here with the adjusters on them. And then there's the bracket that goes to this corner back to the frame. Oh, looks like I might not have to loosen those. I'm all for that. Now, how to adjust it? Well, I gotta turn the little thingies. The stopping washers. If I gotta go down, that means I want the smallest. Well, isn't that lovely? That goes up. I don't want the smallest. I want to go down. I want the longest. Longest setting. Oh, this has a loose bolt. No wonder. Oh, come on. Oh no, it is okay. Fortunately, this bracket is accessible with the impact. The nuts, not so much. Probably need the floor jack too. Let's go the other way. Oh, look at that. About dropped right into place. Well, just like that. Maybe that'll be enough to work. It is enough to work. It's pushed up a little in the middle. So what I'm going to do, push it down. Actually, it needs to go back. But I want to tighten that right there. Well, at least it's not on the highest step. There's still room for adjustment. Let's go all the way. Yeah. No, it's good. I like that. I wish I could get it with the impact. I don't want to do that yet. I want to do this yet. Back. Well, okay. Did it for me. I'm all for that. Oh, it's like just falls into place. It'd be nice if that lock washer would grab and just tighten up. But no. Yeah. I'll give myself a hernia saying click. A little high in the middle. So I'm going to see about raising the ends. That lower valance is not sheet metal. It is bumper metal. That's about even with the middle. Plus it'll relax a little when I let it down. Well, you got to be liking that. I got to be liking that. I made the mistake of spinning the nut off of that side. I got to hold the bolt to get it back in. Choose just the right stick. Of course, I knocked the washers off of it. Hopefully that'll bite and grab. And the final results are in. Looks pretty good. Wouldn't mind this side being up a little higher. Done. I'm calling that 100% better. Them things gotta go in here. Like that. This has to go back up there. Like that. This. I can't see it. Got a light out here. It's way down there. That's gonna go way up. That's a little crumbly stick. Let's keep going. We're there. Now for the other side. It too must rise. But I'm a little scared of this one being in such a damaged area. It's not there. It's like it keeps falling right back into the position that it was. Once the headlight's in there, you won't be able to do anything with it. So it looks like the angle of it needs to be squoze. And I got no way of squeezing it. And there it is. We're there. I had to get me some of these. I believe they're the same. Oh, just look at the... No, you can't. You can't adjust them with the headlight bezel on. Oh, low beamus. Top and inboard. High beamus. Top and inboard. That's what we'll do then. Inboard. Now hopefully this won't break when I try to adjust it. It's already broken. But hopefully it won't go the rest of the way when I try to adjust it. Because I need one for the other side. It's got that tint of green at the bottom. I think the light's okay. And that looks like it's inside the bulb. Oh yeah, you can see where the water used to lay in the bottom of it. Well, I was trying to save a buck again. But no. Branded. I ain't gonna aim them. I'm gonna go till they look vertical. I'm gonna say about there. Come on. I might do a little bit of this going down the road. You'll have to take care of that. Done! It's finally done. I knew that was either a Harley trike or a Volkswagen missing 2 cylinders.
And then we were at the shop, and I was getting ready to throw this away, and Tony said you might be interested in this.
No.
No? Okay, it's a...
Well, I mean, yeah, I know what it is, but okay. the
Right, the glass part is missing.
No, not the glass part. There's a, what do you call the thing?
I don't know.
It directs the air.
Oh. I don't know.
But anyway, it's missing.
Oh, okay.
So it's essentially no good.
Okay. I was just going to...
Scrap metal.
Okay. Well, now it's going to be mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Now it's going to be mine.
What? The generator or the scrap metal?
The scrap metal.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I'll find a thing for it. The only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have a handle. To move it around, you got to grab it like that.
Well, it's no good for a lamp.
Well, oh, why? You got a wick down inside. It goes right up through here.
Diffuser.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a diffuser on here that directs the airflow.
Oh, okay.
If you don't, then you're just going to have this flickering flame burning up off of the
well, let's see how it works. Oh, well, since you don't want it, I'll keep it myself then.
Well, you go right ahead.
How's the, you done anything more in the garage? On your new workshop?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get this. This has to get sold so we can fund that project.
Okay. How are you coming along with this? Have you listed it yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
No. You might have seen the new wheels. Let's point out the blatantly obvious.
Oh, not to me. To you, it might be. So you're going to be able to do anything with that thing over there while I'm still here?
Yeah, when are you leaving?
I'm leaving
September, I know that.
The end of September.
End of September,
Very end of September.
Well, I'm hoping this will bring in...
You think it'll sell quick?
Well, DD Speed Shop is another channel. And at the same time I'm doing this, he's doing a 66 Biscayne.
Oh my.
4-door.
Wow.
Converting it to a 2-door. Someone tells me that he's been offered an ungodly sum of money for it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just hoping somebody makes me
the same offer.
Well, I would like a godly sum of money for it.
Uh-huh.
For this?
Uh-huh. Is that what you
That's where I was going to be.
Yeah. That's what I remembered you saying.
The longer I go, the more expensive it gets.
Well, I'll leave you with your struggles.
Oh, gee, thanks.
All right. Give me a holler if you need some help.
All right.
Don't be shy.
Never.
Never.
Time to put on my pain reliever. Not drop the screw in the gravel. Start them all. Dun, da, da, da. Well, there you go. It ain't perfect, but it's a far sight better than what it was when we drove it out of the woods. I think I'm going to end this one here. So until the next installment of the 66 Biz Quick, I'm Jeff Bradshaw. Cover. I did. I stuck my ground cover. Yeah. Just pushed up a little bit. Just pushed up a little in the middle. 100% better. I think I'm going to quit for the day.
Two of them are the father and son channels.
Yeah, they've got an advantage on me.
Why is that? Because you don't have a...
Because they're two people.
Yes, exactly.
This I have seen under the sun that can do two can do more than twice that of one.
Okay, yeah. Okay, do you have a number for me?
Not while that camera's recording.
I didn't realize it was recording.
I'll run this in a little. Or a lot. See, it used to be you just reach back in here and pull that spring up. See, it used to be just get your bulb in the socket, in the bucket. Put some tension on that ring like that. Pull out on the spring. And it would just snap into place. Apparently, I just ain't got it in me anymore. I'll have to do it another way. Like, get the bulb in the ring first. Without unplugging it. Yeah, I hear you. Like that almost. Like that. Shove the assembly up in there. Almost like that. Like that. Unbelievable. The other side doesn't have enough tension. This side's got too much. Wow. I don't recall ever fighting one like that. Now the gloves are coming off. Perfect time for the fly to arrive, right when I'm reaching my peak frustration. Get. Get!